In front of me is OPPO A98, and today I would like to show you how you can remove password from Google Autofill. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now click on your Google account and tap on the preferred one. In my case, this one. Finally, you can select Autofill, click on Autofill with Google, and then Passwords. Now click on one of your websites or apps that you wish to remove from Password Manager, in my case, Facebook. Enter your current login method to access it, and tap on Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!